Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you iOS 18 beta is going to be released on 10th June. So in this video, I'll show you how you can install and download iOS 18 beta on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here we have to open setting on iPhone or iPad device. And first of all, you will have to make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you don't have strong internet connection, then here make sure that you're using strong internet connection. Then after that, here we have to close this tab. After that, here we have to open any browser on your iPhone or iPad device. Then in search bar, we have to search for beta.apple.com. Here we have to search for this in browser. Then here we have tap on go. Then here you will see this type of interface. Here we have to scroll down. Then here we have tap on sign up here. Then here we have tap on continue here. So here wait a while, it's processing. So after that you will see this type of interface. Here we have to scroll down here. Then here you will see the get started option here. Here you can see that here's the option of enroll your iOS device. Here we have to tap on this here. Then again wait a while here. Then you will see this type of interface. Here we have to scroll down here. Then tap on open beta updates here. So here you can see that here when iOS 18 beta will be released, then iOS 18 beta will show here on this iPhone or iPad device. Then after that you can download and install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone or iPad device. So in this way you can download and install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone or iPad device. So in this way you can do that. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.